Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here we come again with a very amazing, different but beautiful another super video for you at your on screen. Most amazing and beautiful Christmas tree, mostly handmade with recycling craft, scrap material, transform into a magical Christmas tree. You can easily apply amazing art on your upcoming Christmas event, upcoming Christmas holidays. Hope you like it, so please must watch video till the end. Most of beautiful and unique craft step-by-step tutorials DIY projects on my channel. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and also visit if you want to learn, so you are on right place. You can learn from my channel how to make your home beautiful, your home decor ideas, crafting ideas, and DIY tutorials for help you to decorate your home. So must visit. If you like my videos, so please must watch my video and share with your friends and family. People will love it. Homemade craft and Christmas craft is not just crafting, it's a story. Every craft which you can make your own hand tell a story. It's a memory of your life and you will proud. People will come and appreciate your craft and your home instantly transform into a cozy and mind-blowing. I really appreciate your support, your kind attention. I really love it. Your suggestions, your comments give me energy to provide you best and different ideas. So I need your support, your attention. So keep watching my channel, keep supporting me. I am working according to your suggestions, your thoughts, your imaginations, your comments. So keep posting. hope you like my video, and thanks for watching my video till the end. Remember me in your prayers. Upcoming Christmas event. As I already stated, I really appreciate your support. If you liked my video, please must share and learn how to make beautiful crafting and make your home cozy and warmth